السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. معايا الوقت 2 كنترول فتيس اف دي سي تي لمرسيدس بي 246 او سي ال اي 117. ده الاصل اللي هناخد منه وهننسخ على ده بالاف سي 200. Hello everybody, now I'm having these two mechatronic from the valve body and the control unit itself for Mercedes-Benz FDCT for Mercedes-Benz B-Class 246 and CLA 117. This one is the original one, and we will need to read the software files from this unit and write to that one. And I hope both of them will be the same generation as in FC200 if I choose Mercedes, and here type FDCT, then enter. Here we have two generations and two processors, so I will choose the first one, then click on platform, and if I go here on the wiring diagram, it shows me that I have to connect the ground on the body itself, but I will neglect that because we have here two CAN wires, CAN high and CAN low, and power and ground. And if we look on factory, I will bring the light. If we look on a factory connector OEM, the lower two are CAN wires and power, and here is ground. So if we go there, we have to connect power, two CAN wires and one ground. The ground will be there. Okay, if we have a look to that one, do you see that notch? Okay, so now I connected everything, also the power supply to the FC200, and now I will close, then click on identification, okay, that one is TC1766. So now I have to read three files: D flash, external D flash, and P flash. So I will begin with the first file and go to test, new folder as MB FDCT, and another file original. Okay, then save D flash inside it. So I will go to the second file, test MBFDCT original, and save and read P flash. And we have to wait a little bit for the P flash because it is a very big file. Then I will connect back again to the second TCU, and I hope it will be
also TC1766. Earlier, I have successfully cloned this computer with FC200 and everything went okay. But the thing that you have to follow is to get the correct replacement TCM. Everything should be the same. I mean the same processor internally inside the TCU itself. Okay, now I will save the last file inside the original. Okay, now I will click on disconnect, then I will connect these 4 wires from here to there and continue and come back again. Okay, now I connected the 4 wires to the new one, and I will click on identification. Okay, excellent. Seems to be the same processor, so now I will read D flash as a backup only. New. Okay, and save. Then read external. Test FDCT. New. Save. Read P flash. Wait a little bit, about 1 minute to read that file. Okay, I will wait for that and come back again. Okay, now I will save the last file on also MBFDCT, new, and save. Then go to write P flash. Yes, go to original P flash and open. Do you need to verify the file to be written? Yes. Checking files, please be patient. Correct checksum, write P flash. And now it began to write. think writing is going faster because it's already skipping the same partitions. Write p flash successfully, then write external d flash, yes, external d flash, open, write external d flash successfully and also verified. Go to write d flash, yes, this one is d flash, as you see also here. Then open, skip, everything now is okay, and I will disconnect, and now this new one is good to go. This car is the CLA that we cloned the TCM for it, and the first TCM we wrote the software files on it gave us an error, reversing not possible, and when you engage drive it engages gear successfully, but it jumps to the second gear. So we tried on a second mechatronic and gave us the same problem, no reverse and no first gear, only the second. So on the first one we tried to replace the valve body with the same control unit and the same error. Also for this unit, I mean the second replacement one gave us the same error and replaced the rest of the transmission and also the same fault code. It gives us a fault code of solenoid valve, maybe, as I remember. So I suspect the software itself is going wrong. So I got the CFF file, I already have it on the flash, and I will copy it to the desktop and I will flash the transmission with the same software. Maybe the software original software files we got from the car is corrupted or something. So I will take the file here and try to flash with it. Okay, now I will continue, and here I'm having the CFF file on the desktop, and I will open DTS Monaco. Yes, I am. I'm having the car running. Then open a workspace 117, then flash browser, and okay, update, no. I prefer to leave the car running for some time before flashing to get a good battery voltage while flashing. Okay, here is a course test, which means, as I know in German, quick test, and all of control modules are listed here, but for me I will go to flash browser, then search for FDCT or DCT. Okay, here is DCT, so double click on it to initiate the communication. Okay, then go to I think I will need to turn the engine off and only the ignition on. Okay.
Okay, then temporarily add flash data, then go to desktop, that file, this CFF, then open. Okay, then highlight the file, then go to run. Flash process and progress, currently flashing session. Now it began with 1%, 2%. And I'm still having here reversing not possible. Not sure if this will fix the problem. Here I'm having, without it changing gear, consult workshop. I'm not sure if this will fix the problem, but we had a hard time with this car replacing two complete mechatronics with valve body and a replacement mechatronic with another transmission and all of that. I mean the rest of the transmission. Now the transmission controller is not communicating, and as you see here, it is not showing any location, P or R, N, D, nothing is there till it finished the programming. That file I took it from Xentry for the software identification of the transmission after cloning, so it should be the same file that FC200 copied it. This one is the original one. Now I think it will finish soon. Still nothing. P, R, N, D, nothing. I think we have too much time on 99. Now it is 100. And as you see here, the shifter is on park, so the process ended. So now I will turn the ignition off, then I will try to start the car. And here I'm having the same fault code. Can't engage reverse completely, and when I engage D or drive, it jumps to the second gear. Maybe Not sure if I should make a reset for the control unit. Okay, I will continue looking for that and come back again if I get something to be done